Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT CREATIVELK YouTube channel. How to find and check your laptop or PC model. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is convenient to owe and do for whatever reason. So to get started, to the bottom of your computer and click search. All you need to do is go and type in system information like so, and you can then go and click on it. Come over to the left and just make sure the system summary is selected, and what you want to do is go and locate system model. There you go and see your computer's model there. It's that simple, GF63 Thin 10 SCSR. You're probably something different. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more videos. Feel free to go and check out the channel for more useful content as well.